In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight assemblies on this Audi S4. These are going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Under the hood, near the cowl, you may have a cover right here. This vehicle does not have that cover. You want to take that off. We'll disconnect the negative battery post. Use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up this nut. Disconnect that and set it aside. Now we're going to take these screws out, use a T30 socket. One right in the middle there, and on the sides. In the trunk, you need to lift up on this cover right here. There's a little handle that will hold that out of the way. On the left side of the spare tire, you're going to grab this toolbox. If you lift the handle, then you can pull it up. Open this up. It's just a couple levers. And then you're looking for this key. Grab this key. Now, using the key, in the center cap there is a little hole. Just find that hole. Then you can pull the center cap off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take the lug bolts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, prevent it from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. Underneath the vehicle, there's a shield right here. We're going to remove that. Use a straight blade screwdriver and just go around all the fasteners. You want to loosen those up. Side. Should be some on that side as well. And on the side, there's a couple retainers. This vehicle only has one. Just twist that out with the straight blade screwdriver and do the same on the other side. And grab the shield and pull it down. Now I'm going to take these screws out, use a T25 socket. Should be one up top here that's missing on this vehicle. Now using a trim tool, there's a push pin right here. Pop that out. Grab the inner fender well and we'll just slide that to the back. You don't have to take it out completely. Remove this bracket, use a 10mm socket. Take that bolt out and remove this screw. Use a T25 socket. That comes off. And remove this screw, T25 socket. Now there's two nuts in there. We're going to take those out. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. If you need to, use a magnet. Those out. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. Now just grab the bumper, pull firmly outward, and then you can pull it forward. Do the same on the other side. And grab the bumper, pull it forward. On the driver's side, there's a hose. Disconnect that. Just pop this little clip out. You might want a drain bucket. You're going to lose a little bit of washer fluid. This vehicle, it's empty. It's for the headlight washers. And there's a wiring harness. A couple wiring harnesses. Disconnect the connector. Push down on the tab. And disconnect that harness. and pull the bumper off. And we're going to loosen up these bolts. Use a T30 socket. Take this one out. Down here, there's another bolt. You just got to loosen this one. You don't have to take it out completely. The headlight assembly is slotted right there. And down in the back here, use a T30 socket. It's a little tricky to see the bolts, but get on there. And loosen that up. And with that loose, again, you don't have to take the back bolt out either. You just loosen it. You can slide the assembly forward. There's a retainer right here, just a wire retainer. Just want to pop that off. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop that off. Now we'll disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab, or you can use a straight blade screwdriver. And just disconnect the connector. And there's the headlight assembly. The adjustments for the headlight assembly are right here and right here. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a hex socket. Take the connector. You want to plug the connector in. Make sure that latch is down. That's good. Then the retainer, push that in place. That's good. Now we'll line the headlight up. Put the screws in. Snug that down. And snug the other ones down. All right, that's tight. Take this clip. That's gonna line up on there. Now we're going to connect the connectors. Lock that down. There's another connector. Lock that down. All right, that's good. And connect the hose. Line that up. It's for the headlight washers. Clip it in place just like that. And take the bumper. Just get it lined up. Might have to wiggle it up and down a little bit. There we go. Just push it in place. All right, it's lined up on both sides. And 2 top bolts. Snug that down. And in the middle, snug those down. Now take the 2 nuts, get those lined up. And I'll tighten those down. And right here, screw the screw in. Snug that down. Take this bracket, line this up. Put the screw in here. Snug that down. And take the bolt. It's gonna go in here. Get that started. And I'll tighten that down. Snug that down. Now I take the inner fender liner and get this lined up. Push that in place. Take the push pin, line that up. Push it in place. Now I take the screws. Snug those down. And you can do the same on the other side. Yeah, take the shield underneath. Get that lined up. Get that in position. And put the screws in place. All right, that's good. And on the sides, put those lock retainers in place. You might have another one, and then same on the other side. Now take the wheel, line it up. It's lined up. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug that down. And snug these down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. It's good. Take the center cap. It only goes on one way. You can see on the back side there's a picture of a valve stem. You want that lined up with the valve stem. And do the same on the other side. After you're done, take the key, close up the toolbox, slide it in place, push down the handle, take the cover off, and push it in place. Now connect the battery, get that lined up, tighten down the nut, make sure that's snug, give it a wiggle, and that's tight. If you had a cover, you want to put the cover back on. Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.